Hey guys, happy September 1st. This is Sarah from Bear Made Crafts. Today we're going to do a dragon's blood soap, and we're going to color it in black, red, and gray. So I have my oils and my lye water here. Just going to add in my clay. Going. Hopefully we can get a decent black today. Add in the lye water. Let's do one more here. So, what is everyone doing for Labor Day? We are going to my mother's, and my brother will be there with his two kids, who were both here this morning. Their dad went to the Minnesota State Fair, so the boys came over here and played with my son for a while. They were here bright and early at 6 a.m. So, let's see. I'm going to do this red here. Hopefully that comes. I'm always really bad with getting the correct amount of colorant. And then we have our satin gray pillowcase from Mad Micah's. Work out. It's not a bad red. Can you see that? Not bad. I probably could have used a little bit more. And our satin gray pillowcase. It's looking pretty good. Now the truth. The black. I'm not using activated charcoal this time. We are using Black Night Mica from Crafter's Choice. So we'll see how that comes out. Dragon's blood is always such a popular scent. For both men and women. That looks nice. I need to get some of these just a little bit bigger. Right now I have it running down the side of my handle. Trying to stay very fluid today. So far, so good. That satin gray has a nice sheen to it. Okay, grab some paper towels. I had to give up one of my rolls of paper towels. Forgot to buy some more, and I was out in the kitchen, which, yikes. My dragon's blood here. Yeah. It's light patchouli with sandalwood and orange, I think with some clove as well in that. I'm not a fan of patchouli. I have a really hard time just doing patchouli, but if it's mixed in with something like this, it's tolerable for me. But I have troubles just straight patchouli. Okay. Well, you can see in that. Still trying to figure out my camera setup. Oh, I'm pouring. Where am I pouring out of? My goodness. That made a huge mess. Well, that's me. Apparently I'm not happy unless I'm making a mess. There we go. Some red. And some gray in there. Okay. Red again. just going to do a bit of a swirl inside there. Nothing much. Clean up my mess here. Carefully slide this over here. Prop up this end because my house is uneven. And we're going to get out this little mole here. We're just going to do some soaps in here. Maybe make a couple samples of this fragrance. Oh, my gosh. So this is our 15th video for YouTube. So we're chugging along, doing good. I was going to do bath bombs today. Still going to try. We'll see. I know I need a bunch done up. It's just finding time and finding space. Space is a big issue for me. So limited in here. I've got another soap that I need to clean up, and I'll probably make a short video on that, on how I clean up my soaps. Not sure if you guys would be interested in that at all, but I'm gonna do it anyways because by the time I get around to doing it, this won't be posted and nobody will be able to tell me if that's what they want to see or not. So I'm gonna do it anyways because I do what I want. A little bit too much red left. Just top these babies off, I guess. Pull some of that black up from the bottom. It's not wanting to come up. It's alright. Got a teeny bit here. Teeny bit there. I might just be adding music to this video. That way you guys don't have to listen to me ramble. I have to ramble. If I don't, I'll end up humming or singing, and it's usually a song about a banana-colored underwater vessel, and you know, I don't want to have any copyright problems. You know what song I'm talking about too. Banana-colored underwater vessel. Think about it. You'll be singing it too. Catch myself singing or humming that one at least once a day. Don't know why. I'm not careful. I'll start humming it now. Let's not do that. Let's get a little bit of this on top. Get a pretty little pattern going here. Hopefully you can see this. Not really. Kind of. Every bit of goodness, every bit of goodness. So I lined myself up with a helper for the Baker Orchard coming up. Someone to help me set up and tear down, and she's not doing a show that day, so she's going to come help me since I'm injured and thought I was going to be able to carefully get out of the boot after this weekend, even though I'm supposed to wear it for at least 3 weeks. But I realized that I cannot. I need to give my legs more time. It definitely needs the time. I can't rush it. I need to just relax and let it heal. What am I doing? How am I doing this? I always forget how to make crazy eights. That sounds really stupid. So you can't make an 8. I can't. I feel all rushed and I get confused. I get so confused. Son's yammering at me. I need a haircut. I need a bath. Let me make soap, child, please. We will do a haircut, I promise. What do you think? How's that look? I thought so too. All right, well, there she is. Dragon's blood, done in black, red, and gray. Thought I had a silver. That's what I really wanted to do, but for the life of me, I can't find it. Probably hanging out with the peacock. Actually, I know where the peacock is. The peacock's in the kitchen. Why is the peacock in the kitchen? Oh yes, because I made sugar scrub up there with it. Colored it in peacock. Until next time.